This is such an elegant way to celebrate a birthday with this cake topper. It can be used for an adult or for kids' birthday. As you can see, it came nicely packed. This piece of wood is keeping it in shape, and we have our two batteries in the separate bags, and we have a happy birthday card, so it's good to give as gifts also. This is where you put the battery. You put one on the negative side and one on the positive side. This is the CR2032 batteries. Okay, so it has a little button right here. You turn it on and off. So I'm just gonna place it on my dummy cake so you can see how it looks. It measures 5 inches from top to bottom, and the wire measures 3.5 inches plus the 2-inch battery pack. So in total it's 5.5 inches. I'm just placing some orchids around it to hide the battery pack, or if you're using fruits or anything on top, that would be perfect. So see how nice it looks? It looks lovely. And as you can see, some little scratches are on the gold area, but they're not really scratches. It's from the plastic that it came in. So I'm just using a damp paper towel to clean it off, and it came right off. So to store my cake topper, I'll just remove the batteries and place it back in the bag, and I'll have it for further use. This is quite impressive. I really love it. The illumination from the light is very bright and it looks nice on top of the cake.